I will be showing you how to use GeoGebra to graph a parabola. And to graph our parabola, the first thing we need to find is the vertex, the focus, and the directrix. So I've just chosen one from the kinetic homework. This is a vertical parabola because it's a y-equals, and the vertex is 8, -4. I've already calculated the focus, 8, -10. 24 is 4 times 6, so I went 6 below the vertex because it's negative, so I know it's going to open down. And the directrix is going to be 6 above. So the -4 minus 6 to go below was -10. The -4 plus 6 is 2. That gives me my directrix. Alright, you need to open up a web browser. And we're going to be going to www.geogebra.org/webstart-geogebra.html. When you start this up, it may take a few minutes. It'll take probably yours longer the first time you start it up because it's initializing a few things. And because it's a Java applet, it'll probably ask you to see if it's okay to go on. Now just a few things. I like to have a grid, so I'm doing a right mouse click. I'm going to choose grid, and then over here, because I'm graphing, I'm going to have to graph the vertex, which is 8, -4. I can see the 8 here, but I'm going to have to go down some more. This button here allows me to move my viewing area. So first I'm just going to zoom out, and I'm just going to click, and we're counting by 2s now. And now when I click on this, I want to choose move graphic area. I can move it up a little bit. The highest I'll need to go is my vertical line, or excuse me, my horizontal line, which is at y=2 up here. And then my focus is down here at -10. So I think I'll be able to get my points on there. So to graph the points, I'm going to come over here and select the point tool. I'm going to graph my vertex first, which is 8, -4. And I just click and it makes a dot, and over here this shows me that I did indeed graph 8, -4, what I intended to do. My focus is at 8, -10, so I'm going to come down here, click and graph. And then to graph a line, this tool here that has the 2 dots on it is a line. If you don't see that one, you just click on the triangle. We want the line through 2 points. So a horizontal line at y=2 just means I have to pick any 2 points. It doesn't matter which 2 on that line. And now I have my vertex, my focus, and my directrix. In graph a parabola, we come to this menu. It looks like an ellipse because it's 3 of the conic sections we've studied. And I want to choose parabola. And over here it tells me I need to select a point and a directrix. And when they say point, that should have said focus. We really need that to be the focus and the directrix. And there I have my parabola that's opening down. It went through my vertex. And then if you're going to submit this for homework, if you click where it says ABC, we can insert some text. You need to somewhere put on there that this is which problem. So if you were doing homework and this was, say, 10II number 7, you could put that on there. So 10II number 7, and then follow it up with your name just so I make sure I know who this is. We'll say this is Fred Flintstone. When I click OK, it's going to put that label there. Just go and choose save. Save it like on your desktop or in your documents or somewhere where you can find it. I don't care what name you give, just something you can remember. And then you just get an email and attach that file and send it to me, and I'll know that I need to open that in GeoGebra. I hope this helps.